Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sifira Wajiha binti Masari and I am from AX116183, which is in Diploma of Food Technology, and my message numbers is 2023647198. And today I would like to presenting about gas pressure in general chemistry. So let's get started. So before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce to you guys what will I presenting in the moment. So first of all, I would like to tell about what is pressure. Pressure formula, gas kinetic theory, what is gas pressure, factors that affect gas pressure, and lastly gas law. So before that, did you guys know that everything that happened on the earth is related to pressure? As an example, while we walk, our feet will touch to the ground and our body will experience pressure with the earth. And then, while we swimming, our body will experience water pressure, and lastly, when we breathe, our body will experience the atmospheric pressure. So, what is pressure actually? The definition of pressure is the amount of force applied perpendicular to the surface of an object per unit area. So, let's see about the pressure formula. The pressure formula is P equal to F over A. So, what is P, what is F, and what is A? So, basically, P is the pressure, F is the magnitude of the normal force, and A is the area of the surface on contact. So, pressure formula is P equal to F over A. Next, we move on to gas kinetic theory. First of all, kinetic theory states that the molecules in a gas move randomly and constantly collide with the walls of the container. Molecules of gas molecules that collide with the walls of the container experience a change in momentum. The rate of change in momentum that occurs produces an impulse force that acts on the wall of the container. Gas pressure is the force per unit area produced by the collision of gas molecule against the wall of the container. So, the definition of gas pressure is the force per unit area exerted on the surface of an object by when gas molecules collide with the surface. Gas pressure is produced in a closed container. So that means that gas pressure only happen when the gas is at the container, in a container, and gas pressure will not ever happen if the gas outside the container. So next, we look to gas pressure concept. There is 3 gas pressure concept. First is gas density, second is gas temperature, and lastly volume of gas. So first, we look at the gas density. The higher the gas density, the higher the gas pressure. For a denser gas, the number of molecules per unit volume of the gas is greater. The frequency of molecular collision of gas molecules with the walls of the container increases. Next, gas temperature. Gas temperature increase, gas pressure increase. This is because the molecular velocity of molecules increases at the temperature of the gas increases. The collision rate between molecules and the walls of the container increase. And lastly, volume of gas. If gas volume decrease, gas pressure increase. This is because when the volume of the gas decrease, the number of molecules per unit volume of the gas increase. And lastly, the collision rate between molecules and the walls of the container increase. So for your information, there is 3 gas law. First is Boyle, second Charles, and third is Gay-Lussac. So the way to be different for each of these law is to make an inverted triangles, put two components above and one component below. We can also use a simple acronym which is private, which P is synchronized for pressure, V is volume, and T is temperature. So BCG is about for balls, C for Charles, and G is for Gay-Lussac.